Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was about to remove my facial hair and I thought let's just switch on the camera and show you how I do it, because the last video I made, there are a few changes that I've adapted to my face shaving routine now, and I thought I want to show you all the updated things that I like to do while I shave my face. Now before you think that shaving your face is bad, let me just tell you that it does not make your hair grow thicker and darker. Otherwise all the bald men in the world would shave and have a full head of hair. So shaving your face is completely okay. You will not get a beard after shaving your face, and I'm gonna show you how I remove my facial hair, how I do my eyebrows, my upper lips and my sideburns and all of that. So let's begin. One biggest change from my last video to this video is that I do not like to shave my face dry anymore. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen me shaving my face with absolutely nothing on it, completely clean and absolutely dry. But I have discovered that that kind of gave me rashes, and I always used to get like little tiny bumps on the sides of my face when I used to shave my face when it was completely dry. So now I like to shave my face with a little bit of oil on it, and this is my favorite one. This is the YBP Plant Remedy Oil. I've spoken about this so many times and I only have a little bit of it left, but this is what I like to apply on my face before I start shaving. Now you want to make sure your face is absolutely clean. It goes without saying that there's not supposed to be any makeup on your face before you decide to shave. So I like to use these kind of facial razors. One of them is by Miniso and one of them is by Let's Shave. I'm gonna link all of them down below for you guys. Everything that I use will be linked down below, so make sure you check out the description box if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using. But I like to start with my sideburns first, and this is the razor that I'm currently using. This is by Let's Shave, and I have cleaned my face already. It's completely clean. There is absolutely no makeup on it. All there is on my face right now is this oil. Now this oil really helps the razor glide on my face and it doesn't create friction, so I don't end up getting any red bumps. So that's great. So now I'm going to show you how I like to do it. So I'm going to start with this side of my face first, and I just like to take my finger and stretch the skin a little bit so I get a nice clean surface to work on. So you want to take your razor and you want to kind of angle it like this on your skin. You don't want to angle it like this, because if you angle it like this, you are going to cut yourself. It's very easy to cut yourself in this process. So make sure you, if you're a child, if you're under 18, make sure there is some adult with you, or just don't do it. If you don't have to, I recommend not to do it unless you're 18 and above. So just take your razor like this and angle it like this at a 90-degree angle, and you want to angle your razor like this at a 90-degree angle, stretch your skin across, and then just start removing your hair in little strokes. Make sure you do little strokes. You don't want to do one long stroke. That's just not it. It's not going to do anything. You are going to have to go over that same area again and again if you do long strokes. So just, take your time with it, be patient with it, and do very short, small strokes. If you hear a lot of sighing, my husband is working out in the background. You see that? That's disgusting. But it's so easy to remove this because I have like a lot of oil on my face. You see all this little hair? We all have this hair, so there's nothing to be ashamed about. If you have a lot of hair and it bothers you a lot, just go get a laser treatment. My hair, I feel like it's manageable. It doesn't bother me that much. I remove them once a month and I'm fine with it. But if it does bother you a lot, there are ways that you can get them removed permanently. So you have to decide what is important for you. Now I'm just gonna go over a little bit, and I like to go over the same area twice, not more than twice though, because this is exfoliation. Shaving your face is a way of exfoliating your face. So also another thing that I would like to mention is do not use any chemical exfoliants on the day that you're shaving your face. Do not use any physical scrubs on the day that you're shaving your face, because shaving is enough exfoliation by itself. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin. Now you want to be extra careful around your lip area, because this is a very sensitive area. So make sure you are very careful with this. Just really go inside your mirror and see exactly what you're doing. The hair around this area is usually very thin. It's very difficult to see them. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You wanna pull your skin taut, and then you wanna start from the back with your sideburns and then go down. Now for my forehead, I am gonna take my razor again in the same angle and start with my teeny tiny baby hairs on top. Now I used to do it quite further back, but then I realized that I don't have a forehead, I have a 5 head, and I don't need to shave all my front hair. So I just do a little bit of this so it looks cleaner and nicer, and makeup application is actually a lot better when there's no hair on your face. So I just take it across my forehead, and any little hair that you see like that gets removed and there's no fuzz anywhere, peach fuzz. And makeup just applies like a dream. Now you want to make sure you're super careful around your eyebrows, because it's very easy to just take your razor across and get half of your eyebrow out. So just be super careful around your eyebrows. In fact, this helps in shaping the brows a little bit as well. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to a smaller razor. This is the razor that I was using before because I wanted to cover like large areas of my face. Now if you want to cover smaller areas of your face, move on to a smaller razor. As you can see, this one is pretty fine, pretty small. It's really easy to get around the nose, especially your upper lips, under your eyebrows, things like that, the crevices of your face. It's better to do it with a smaller razor. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I like to use a combination of shaving and what is this called? Tweezer. Tweezing. So I'll tweeze out some of my stray hairs on the bottom, and then whatever's left, whatever my tweezer cannot get, I will shave it off with this razor. So I really get close into the mirror and see every single nook and cranny. Another easy way of removing hair around your eyebrows is to fill in your eyebrows how you like to do them. So you will fill in your eyebrows however you like to do them when you're fully made up, and then whatever hair is outside of that outline of your filling in is what you will tweeze out. So I do my eyebrows in a bunch of different ways. Sometimes I will fill them in and tweeze out any of the stray hairs around, and if I do them when I'm shaving my face and it's a full-fledged scene, then I will tweeze out all of the hair, and then I'll go ahead with my razor as well and shape them even more. It's a process. So I like to get my mirror and I get really up close and personal with my eyebrows. So if you see, there's a lot of stray hair around my eyebrows right now. They are in the need for a super cleanup. So let's go ahead and shape them. Now I've only just cleaned up the underside of this brow, and you can see it looks so much neater and like pulled up, you know, it makes your face look super tight and pulled when your eyebrows are done. So I have just tweezed out the underside of this brow, and now I'm going to tweeze out the underside of this brow as well, and whatever's remaining I'm going to go shave it off with this. Now I'm going to take my small razor and very carefully just shave the underside of my brow. Now for the front part of the brow, I just like to pull it taut like this, and then just shave the portion, clean up the portion right here. Now the underside of my eyebrows is done. I'm just gonna pull my eyebrow like this, pull it taut, and then just clean up on top. Now you will see some redness in the areas that you shave. There is going to be some redness, but that redness will subside with time. For me, that redness goes in about a few hours after I've done my skincare. And before, when I didn't used to use my oil, I used to get bumps all over my face. But now, ever since I've started shaving with oil on my face, I don't really get razor bumps, which is great. Okay, now the last thing that remains is my upper lip, and I like to do my upper lip with this as well. I used to use the wheat hair trimmer, but I feel like this gets just a little bit of a closer shave than my wheat hair trimmer, which if you feel like the wheat hair trimmer is a better way to remove it, that's fine. It's completely okay. It works just as well. But I just find that with a razor like this, when you have control over it, it just gives you a more closer shave. So for my upper lip, I like to pull my skin taut to one side and then start shaving. Okay, you guys, that is it for my face shaving routine. My face is completely clean now. I will go ahead and apply a nice soothing face mask and then go ahead and do my skincare. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more of my updates. By the way, I am wearing my mauve leopard square neck tee. Mauve leopard is our limited edition fabric, so if you want this tee, go ahead on www.karwarya.com to check it out. We have this square neck tee in a bunch of different colors. You're gonna love it. I feel super clean now and I feel like my face is ready for makeup. It's ready for skincare. If you try it out, send me a DM. Tell me how it was for you, and if it was your first time shaving your face, please share your experience with us in the comments down below. Like this video if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.